PIR means when people come into the room, then it will flame. You can select photo or videos for PIR. So this cover, these are all my creation for the police, because these are very serious kind of a business. Like that, if they tell you, then you will know, okay, this could be a camera, because it's shiny, the lens, right? Some, they are not made so perfect, then become even more shiny, and the hole is bigger. Look at this, is it see-through?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I call this BAT, back box, blackout and tinted. That's the meaning of that. Just cover it. So there's no holes. Everything looks all black. Then you want to conceal even better. You can make another hole. Another hole, no need to be a round hole. Yeah. So become very discreet. So it can be a chocolate box, can be a pencil box, can be another thing. Then for the swimming, I already tested with my other box. Sorry, a container. Water bottle. Just get towel, then become a gift. This one see-through. But I got the clear one, like this one. Yeah. So I can drop it out to become gray, this bottle, and another type of bottle tomorrow. So I'll make it very easy now for the investigator last minute to DIY by themselves. Yeah. It's actually not also a good idea, because last time I had to charge them very much higher to come to me to do all those discrete filming. Yeah. So now I'll make it so easy to help them to reduce cost. Yeah. So the packaging become my camera accessory. Nothing gone to waste. Yeah. This one has stuff inside here. Yeah. I already tested in the swimming pool. I give it to the Malay boys to test it in Kuala Lumpur. It's easier over here. So a lot of those film, first start